What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is just going to be a little unboxing of a new product that we're getting. You guys remember a couple weeks ago we rescued a dog. We were a temporary placement for the dog until we could find a better place for him. We have found a better place for him. Some family friends that decided to take him in, where he's going to be better off with more friends, more companions, other dogs to play with and everything. He definitely went and left some memories behind, which is one of the reasons why we have to get a new TV today. He tore the house up, had very, very bad anxiety, separation anxiety, fear of doors being closed, and just did not like the feeling of being locked up inside the house. Not just the kennel, but the house. He tore up literally everything. So here, you can see that he broke out of the kennel, messed up the laundry room door, messed up the living room side panels, or a corner, I forgot what they call that portion of the door, but the little corner part of the wall where you can see that has been taken off. Front door padlock. He just messed up quite a bunch of stuff. And the last thing before he went was he broke out of the kennel for the third time, flipped it over, and at the time of him flipping over the 100-pound kennel, somehow flipped up in the air and broke our Samsung Curve TV. So today we are heading to Best Buy to go pick up what we ordered a couple days ago. It's the Hisense U7H 75-inch TV. The reason I decided to go with this because I've seen it's as close to OLED as you could possibly get for a regular LED pricing. Okay, the TV retails for $18.99, which would be about 2 G's after taxes. However, with the Black Friday sale going on and the additional price match that you use against Best Buy during the Black Friday sale, this TV actually came out to be from $18.99 down to, I think it was just $9.50. So damn near $1,000 off. You can't really say no to that. Hopefully it fits inside the wagon. Yes, the Wagoneer can house a 75-inch TV, no problem. Very wide. Still have some available room back there. Able to close the trunk space, no problem. So thank goodness that works.
Okay, so as stated before, we had to get rid of this TV that I've had for quite a while because this is what Scorpius did. The dog that we had went ahead and did this. I know, I'm gonna have to dust this off a little bit before we open this, but that's a 55. This is what the new box looks like in retrospect to that one. So highly excited, but let's dust this off.
All right, so first thing we're gonna come across is one leg stand. At the top, there's a letter indicator right here to show you R for right. So this will be the right leg. So what we're gonna do now is just lay it down. Allow the butt to kick on that as well. Cables, remote control, M5-16 millimeters for the screw of the legs, a couple batteries, and well, we'll just have to grab our own screwdriver. So that's that. Some heavy duty bubble wrap and stuff there. We're gonna use this for the move for sure. So let's save these. Those are pretty cool. Gotta stay hydrated. Brought to you by Tropical Smoothie. delicious. So again, this brand here is called Hisense. You guys are probably familiar with them. They started off as a TV brand out of Walmart. So it started off, you know, entry-level TVs, nothing too crazy back when they had like the LCDs. However, it has now jumped the gun up to hanging up there and giving the huge brands a run for their money. Samsung, LG, Sony. So it is up there. And again, for the price point of this, normally $2,000, we got it on sale for only, like I said, $850, I believe it was. You really can't say no. It's up there competing with the LG OLED screens. So really excited to go ahead and get this stuff put together and try this bad boy out. Doke. Next up is going to be power cable. It's pretty simple, straightforward installation, y'all. Power cable is gonna go right here. Has a nice little compartment thing here. So go ahead and plug and hide your wires. Now you just pinch this to open it. Okay, so the TV is up. TV is on. Let's go ahead and go through a first initial setup. Don't need to do speakers or nothing, but we're gonna of course attach the Xbox. Okay, let's go to keep new settings. Wow. Okay. Now we're talking. Let's go to settings right here. Theater day, maybe pretty good. Let's go over to Vivid, and there we go. That's going to be a very nice one. Increase the sharpness. I always like my sharpness is high. Brightness down. Let's go ahead and continue. Now edited the settings that we were looking for as far as a color standpoint of view. And I have to say that once we've edited to Vivid and decreased the backlight brightness down a little bit, this looks absolutely amazing. So this is absolutely stunning. The colors are true, they're rich, they're dark. There's no reflection in the back, and there is no, any of that bright bleeding out from earlier. This is absolutely fantastic. The only thing now we're gonna actually have to do is edit the sound itself. I'm not too excited about the sound, but again, we have an entire clip system that we're gonna be setting up here in a couple of weeks after we move anyway. So without further ado, guys, you know what to do. See y'all next time on Jeep Come True. Thanks.